Mistake number 3. Not tracking your nutrition and macros. You've probably heard this saying before: you can't out-train a bad diet. And let me tell you, it's 100% true. You can be crushing it in the gym, running miles, lifting weights, and sweating through intense workouts, but if your nutrition isn't dialed in, you're going to hit a wall. I've seen it happen time and time again. People working so hard but still feeling stuck because they're not paying attention to what they're eating. Here's why tracking your nutrition is a game changer. Even healthy foods can be misleading. Have you ever thought you were eating clean, but still weren't losing weight? Foods like avocados, nuts, granola, and smoothies can be super nutritious, but they're also calorie-dense. Without tracking, it's easy to overeat without realizing it. Protein is king for fat loss and muscle retention. If you're not getting enough protein, you risk losing muscle instead of fat. Protein helps keep you full, supports recovery, and boosts metabolism, so making sure you hit your daily intake is crucial. Under-eating or overeating without knowing. Some people think they're eating just right, but in reality, they're way off, either not eating enough, leading to stalled progress and cravings, or eating more than they realize, which keeps them from losing fat. Tracking helps you stay on point without the guesswork. How do we fix this? Use a food tracking app. Apps like MyFitnessPal, Chronometer, or Macros First make it super easy to monitor your protein, carbs, and fats. You don't have to track forever, but even a few weeks of logging your meals can be eye-opening. Prioritize protein in every meal. Aim for 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight to maintain muscle. Stay full and boost metabolism. Think lean meats, eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu, beans, and protein shakes. Plan your meals ahead of time. Ever found yourself starving and grabbing the first thing in sight? That's when bad choices happen. Meal prepping, even if it's just having healthy snacks on hand, keeps you on track and in control. Bottom line, if you're serious about results, don't just guess your nutrition, track it, plan it, and fuel your body the right way. Alright, now on to mistake number 4, and this one's huge. It's something that most people don't even realize is sabotaging their progress. Let's dive in.